Hi, my name is Jasmine Lister, and today I'm going to talk about Pashtunwali. Pashtunwali is an unwritten code of honor that the Pashtuns live by. The Pashtuns are a group of people that live primarily in western Pakistan and eastern and southern Afghanistan. About 25 million Pashtuns live in Pakistan, and about 11 million Pashtuns live in Afghanistan. Pashtuns have been around for thousands of years, and many religious anthropologists believe they've been around since the pagan era. Pashtunwali, or this code of honor, sets the standard for the Pashtun people. It governs, directs, and brings balance to their lives. It tells Pashtuns how to behave in their communities. It tells Pashtuns how to treat different tribes and also how to live honorable lives. The Pashtunwali code consists of many elements, but today I'd like to focus on 4, and they include Malmastia, Badal, Tuda, and Nanawatai. Malmastia means hospitality. This code of honor is very important to the Pashtun people. It is their duty to be hospitable to tribe members and strangers. And why is this so important? Well, their ancestors were very hospitable people. Hospitality is an honorable quality to possess, and those who are hospitable receive support and followers, and they also have authority. Malala's mother, to me, was a great example of this. In the book that we are reading, I Am Malala, Malala mentions that her mother would cook and feed her family, but that she would also prepare food for families that were less fortunate and couldn't afford food. And I thought that was a great way to be hospitable. The next code of honor is Badal, or revenge. This right is given to all Pashtuns. Consequences do not matter. It impacts individuals as well as groups of people. For example, family members of those individuals who have wronged other people. And oftentimes, revenge includes bloodshed. And there is no time frame with this. As I was doing my research on this topic, I found a common saying that is used by many Pashtun people. And it says, "I took my revenge after 100 years, and people say I hurried." I found that quote to be very interesting. Even after 100 years of seeking revenge, it still wasn't enough. And so I think this quote shows that revenge is something that is long-lasting to the Pashtun people. The next code of honor is Tuda, or bravery. Those that live by this code protect their families, they protect their land, and they protect their belongings. And the last code of honor that I'd like to discuss today is Nanawatai, or asylum or refuge. Pashtuns must live by this code of honor. When they do, they provide protection to someone against their enemies, and this is very important. Those that are providing this refuge must do it even if it costs them and their family a fortune. Pashtunwali is very important to the Pashtun people. It is something that impacts many aspects of their lives. And I really enjoyed learning about Pashtunwali and the Pashtun people. I learned a lot, and I hope that you learned a lot as well from this presentation.